Everyone. So today we'll see how to install Anaconda in your laptop or PC. First of all, go to Chrome, simply type Anaconda. I'll also share the link to the website in the description. So simply download here. The latest version will be available here, individual edition. Simply download it, keep it. So I'll see you when it gets downloaded. So it is downloaded finally. So I'll open it. So it is opening. It is verifying installer. So as you can see, it is open. So you have to simply go next, agree. You can choose any one of this. So you can choose your desired folder. I'll choose one. Space required will be 2.9 GB, and you can also see available space here. So I'll go for next. I would recommend to add Anaconda 3.2 path. You can also add it afterwards manually, going to the environment variables in your system settings. Your laptop might stuck at this step, but you will have to wait to get it installed. It might take half an hour, it might take 5 minutes, it can even take 1 hour. You will have to wait. So I'll see you when it gets installed. So it is finally downloaded. So next. So and finish. So you can run Anaconda. It will take some time to load for the first time. So it's finally open. You can use various like Spider, Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, etc. I'll make a separate video for the Jupyter Notebook setup. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do share it with your friends and hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel for new videos. Thank you so much for watching.